This is the AK-203 assault rifle being manufactured as a joint venture here at the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited facility in Korwa, which is based within the HAL Korwa facility. Now remember, as I stand here and show you this weapon, 48,000 of this weapon has already been delivered to the Indian Army. These rifles are now deployed along the western borders, the northern borders, as well as for counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operations. By August 15 this year, another 7,000 would be delivered, taking the numbers to 55,000. Now remember that right now these rifles come with 50% indigenous content, which is supposed to increase to 70% by October this year. And by December 31, 2025, 100% of this rifle would be manufactured here in India. Right now we are within the production facility of the AK-203 and I have with me Major SK Sharma, who will now give you a tour of this facility. He is the serving officer of the Indian Army who is now posted here as the CEO of this facility.
Okay, so what you see, ladies and gentlemen, in front of you are the three screens which make it very clear for you as to which were the assault rifles with us. Thereafter, what are the 5 stages of indigenization that we talked about. Now you can see here the rifle which is laid out and the various components. You may recall I had mentioned that our rifle has 50 components. You can see 50 components clearly displayed here. You can also see with the color code the indigenization that we have talked about. Various stages, the same components have been displayed here. With that, we move in now to the production. You are inside the production hall of IRRPL, where right now we are in the stage of producing rifles which have got 30% indigenized content. What you see to my right is the input material. So the input material comes in the form as you can see on the right. So those are the boxes in which we get the input material oblique the components of the rifle which come to us. Right now the total staff in the company, as I had told you, is about 50% of what the final staff would be. Various stages that we follow here on the right you can see is the input material. Thereafter you can see the machines and the benches and the sequence in which the entire rifle is fabricated, oblique produced here. A total of 121 steps I had mentioned to you which is required